fingertip down and you can bend the knees a little bit. Yeah, this is the first technique. Hello everyone, namaste, this is Yogi Sonu. So here in this video we're gonna learn how to do handstand. Handstand is an advanced posture and it is recommended for people who are practicing yoga asana for a time that they can improve their strength. And actually everyone can practice the handstand but need arm strength. So if you haven't watched my previous video or some video that I'm explaining you how to improve the arm strength for the arm balancing postures or anything, yeah, you can rewatch that video again and then improve your knowledge. Okay, so let's begin with the technique now. So handstand, handstand. So normally in my class that I said everyone can do handstand. Everyone, even you are beginner, you can do handstand too. Very simple technique. Handstand like this. This has become handstand already. So yeah, this is a joke. So let's work with the practice corner. So here in this video we're gonna work with the handstand. So I will show you the demonstration first and then I will give you the technique how to do handstand without jerk. Because whenever we practice the handstand without jerk, it's work. We don't jerk and we don't force any time during the asana practice. We work with mindfulness, we work with full of control our body. That's why we are working the asanas. Okay, asana is very important, but need to step by step. Okay, so whenever we are firmer, keep the hands on the floor and contract the core muscle, work with your shoulders. So lift the legs side. Yeah, so whenever your legs is side, so you can improve to the hands, legs up. Yeah, so this is like a basic. And when they come back, we need to come back with very soft landing, not jerk straight away. So it's important because whenever we are working with our own body, we need to control the prana. Prana means the breathing. Control the breathing is not mean that stop the breathing. We don't stop the breath, we control the breathe. Whenever body need breathe, we breathe. Whenever body no need breathe, we don't breathe. Breath is like a still and peaceful. So our mind is still and peaceful too, and our body we can control. Okay, we'll go to the technique now. So whenever we work, so first of thing, keep your palms not too close, not too far. Your palms must be like the same line of your shoulders. So how you can catch the same line? Remember your elbow and your palm. So whenever you keep the palm on the floor, same line, you can see is the same or is side. It's a straight line, right? So whenever keep the another hand is just right beside like this, and keep your elbows over here. So where is your elbow? That is the point for your another palm. So keep it here. So this is the perfect place that we get for any arm balancing. Even if you do mountain pose or Ashwasanchalan asana or Bakasana or any arm balancing posture, Ashtavakra asana, yeah, this is the perfect shape of your hands should be. Not too far, not too close, this much. So this technique I give you, this is the foundational technique for our hands foundation. Okay, once we get the proper foundation, now you need to work with your core muscle and the shoulder strength. So how you can do that? So suppose we are stay here and now try to standing on your toes. Heels will be up and lean body forward and press your fingers down. Yeah, just lift up a little bit. Yeah, try to lift up and down. So go back and go forward. When we go forward, press the fingertip down and you can bend the knees a little bit. Yeah, this is the first technique. Yeah, you can do it as much as you feel comfortable. So once you feel tired, you can feel your shoulders is feeling the strength, feeling the pressure or feeling the or feel like tired a little bit, your muscles on your shoulders. So this is an indication that your shoulders and your core, your arms is working together. So this is the way like very proper foundation, the basic for beginners, for everyone. But if you are doing the handstand very nicely but you don't know how to lift the legs up with softly, then this technique is for you. So everyone can practice this technique and can see how you can improve your knowledge. Yeah, this all techniques is from my 40 days advanced asana course, online course, and it's very interesting to improve your body flexibility, make your calorie burn, make your body fit and firm. So it's very nice. And how you like this video, please feel free to let me know the comment. I will be very happy if you will share this video with your friends or in your social media channels for public, because yoga is for everyone and everybody can practice yoga step by step. Because I love my passion is yoga, traditional yoga knowledge, and I'm very happy to share this old techniques with the world, what I have learned my long life journey with this subject. So have a good day and see you soon in my another video. Namaste.